Unraveling the phrase, paying for favors, an English idiom explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the intriguing world of English idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, paying for favors. Understanding idioms is a crucial part of mastering English, as they add color and depth to the language. So, let's unfold the layers of meaning behind this interesting phrase. Paying for favors is an idiom that can have a literal and a figurative meaning. Literally, it means giving someone money or another form of compensation in exchange for a service or help. However, the figurative meaning is where things get more nuanced. It often implies a transaction that's not just about money but also about influence, power, or personal gain. For instance, in politics or business, paying for favors might suggest a quid pro quo scenario, where favors are exchanged for other benefits. The context in which paying for favors is used can dramatically alter its connotation. Let's look at different scenarios. 1. In everyday conversation, it might simply mean helping someone because you expect they will help you in return. 2. In a business setting, it could suggest unethical practices like bribery or corruption. 3. In social relationships, it might indicate that someone is trying to win over someone else's affection or loyalty through gifts or other benefits. Understanding the context is key to interpreting the phrase correctly and using it appropriately in your own conversations. To solidify your understanding, let's see how paying for favors can be used in sentences. In a casual setting, I don't want to feel like I'm always paying for favors whenever I help out Mark with his projects. In a business context, the company faced a scandal after allegations of paying for favors to secure lucrative government contracts. In social dynamics, she always brings expensive gifts to the parties, making others feel like she's paying for favors to be in the inner circle. And that's a wrap on the phrase, paying for favors. Idioms like this enrich your English and offer a glimpse into the cultural nuances of the language. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating phrase and added a new dimension to your English learning journey. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, language is the bridge that connects us all. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.